It's really fun. I got a clearance item at the end that I investigated, and these are unbelievable, and they're on sale. So we'll get to that later. All right, so we got a lot to talk about. Debbie, hello from Wilmington, North Carolina. I love Wilmington. And okay, Erica says you are amazeballs. Okay, good. Well, now that we've covered that. New word. All right, guys, so let's jump into the first thing, and it's really cool, and it is a launch, and I'm so thrilled that Stephanie, who joins us from Stamps of Life, she has created a whole new concept which blends home decor and creativity together. So if we will go to my upper shot, please. Click. Click. So close. Okay, this is so cool. It's a whole home decor craft line. And Steph's going to tell us all about it too. You get the cool birdhouse, which is all dimensional, the frame, the hello there tray, bless this nest. You get this adorable birdie that goes with it as well. This is $36.95. Your item number is 1277459. It's a brand new launch of Stamps of Life Home Decor Crafts. Isn't that exciting? So here we go. And then we have this really amazing tray. Like, I love this tray so much. So we're going to talk about it right now. And Miss Stephanie, of course, is joining me. And Stephanie, congratulations. I love this whole new concept.
Thank you, Suzanne. You know what? I really am excited about it. But first, Cookie wanted to say hello to you because I just realized you have a little baby that looks a lot like my little baby. So she just wanted to say hello really quick.
Okay, that's my T-bone. Oh, hi, Cookie.
See, hi. Okay, there we go. There we go. That was enough.
Get that out of the way.
I'm really excited about this line. You know, we've been home for the last, year and a half now, and everybody's really just kind of saying, hey, you know what, I really want to just look around my house and see all these things that I want to do, but, you know, where do I start decorating? And the tiered tray concept is really popular, and so what I've done is I've made it my own. I always love to look for little things at stores and stuff, but you know what the problem is it never matches your decor. So for perhaps you have like a farmhouse decor, you have this color decor, you have that color decor. Now you can make your home decor in your colors. And that's kind of where the whole Home Decor for Life has really been born. And I'm really excited about it. In the kit, in the Hello There kit, you are getting the cute little birdhouse. And look how cute that is. You get the little pattern. I mean, you can put pattern paper on it. You can paint it. You get to do whatever you want to it. You get to make it any color you want. You get to do anything like that. You also get this cute little bird with the little bless this nest. And it even comes with a little stick if you want to hang him up a little bit higher. It also comes with the cute little hello there tray. And look how cute this is. The little letter tray. So you get to change these letters out, and different kits have different words. So the kit we're going to kind of briefly show you later is going to have the letter sun. So you can add the letter sun in there if you want. But it's so much fun, and it's so fun to be able to make your home decor match your style and match your colors and just have fun with that. So I'm really excited about it. Now, I know you have your kit there.
I do. So I've already started working on mine. So here's what I want to show you guys, which is really neat. If we can go to the overhead, Evelyn, so I can show everybody, because this is so cool. They've really thought through every element of this stuff. Thanks for doing that, because all of these are just slightly tacked on. So all of this can come off. So actually you can paint, as you said, paper, glitter, whatever you want to do on it. So they're just slightly tacked on there. That's for shipping. And so, you know, you can really build your own experience. But look at how thick they are. Look at how fun the wood is. Like, it's just so well made. And it's just a huge kit. Now, we have these incredible pens coming up. So what I started doing was, these are true opaque pens. And they're artist developed. We'll get to them towards the end of the show. But I loved them because, Steph, look how great. I was just coloring your letters, and it looks amazing just with a little extra color, let alone all the other bling we could add.
Right, absolutely. And that's a very good point, because some of it you really don't even need to decorate. Let's do my overhead camera, and I'm going to show you. Here is the before. Here's what it would look like before, not decorated. And here it is where I've actually painted the letters. So we have in my decor colors, I got to pick the colors, which is really exciting, right? And now I have the hello there colored in any color I want. So that's really exciting. In fact, the frames do come separate. The backs come separate from the front. So you get to decide if you want this to be a different color besides white. What if you want that to be black? You'll be able to paint that and then glue it in, and then you'll have your cute little frame. So it's so versatile. You get to change it. In fact, what if I change my home decor? Guess what? I can repaint this. So I get to choose, I get to have the options, and even naked, I like to call this naked, even naked, it looks great. So you get to decide, and that's what's really fun about it, I think.
Oh, there's so many cool elements too. And it's easy. Like, it's not hard to put this together. For example, Bless This Nest. This one's really, really super cute. You see they already have the little raffia. They've already got the hole in there. So again, these are not difficult. You don't have, like, there's no way I know woodworking at all, but I love the look of it. So again, have some fun and play. These also could be, that's one gift. This is one housewarming gift. This is one gift. And look how cute this is. It reminds me of Scrabble, actually. You get all these little letters. And so it says, if I turn it around correctly, H. I mean, this one's simple. You know, you just do as much or as little as you want to do with it. I would probably color in, and again, we'll talk about these cool pins coming up. But look how adorable that little Scrabble sign is. Isn't that cute? And if you want to, you can put something on the opposite side. You could take markers, you could handwrite it, you could use your Cricut and cut out letters. You could use some stickers. We got these really cool dimensional stickers and put love on there and make a whole different concept. But I love the fact that you have 4 very distinct gifts if you want to make them and share, or you can put them all together. Now, we will get to the tray. We're going to build it together with me and Steph, but I do have a couple comments we want to add. Sylvia said, my craft day goodies are coming tomorrow. It's going to be hard to work. Yes, that would be really hard, actually. Jennifer, she says here in Florida. Vicky's joining us as well. Suzanne, she loves your Stamps of Life. Kathy also loves Stamps of Life. They're saying hi to your dog.
Oh, yeah.
Margaret, oh, hi, Cookie. Everybody's loving the puppy. Debbie's
Yes.
in with the house with us as well. Donna, what kind of dog is Cookie? Cookie is a Maltese, and I know that because
Yes, she is.
They're smart dogs too. They're too damn smart.
They are.
They're too darn smart. Do we have a bleep? Uh-oh, that
They
went out,
are.
didn't it?
Yes, they're a little too smart for their own good.
Okay, so now Kathy says, have the tier tray and get the monthly sets. Do you want to explain that real quick?
Well, we have different kits, so you get to pick and choose. For example, on HSN, we also have the summer set. So the summer set's going to be, you know, completely different, but it's going to have a summer feel to it, right? So here's an example, Hello Summer, and I've already painted this one. And you get to, again, you pick the colors, you get to do all the choosing. Here's a cute little guy that comes with that kit for the summer kit. It's a cute little popsicle with the little happy face. Now, what if you didn't want that happy face? Well, you know what? You don't have to put it on there. It's all up to you. That's what's really fun about it. Here's another example in that kit. It comes with the cute little pineapple. Again, what if you're not a happy face person? You're not that cutesy. That's okay. Don't put it on there, you know? And then this is one of my favorites that comes in that kit, the cute little cool sign. Look how cute that is with the sunglasses. Again, I got to pick all of the colors there. I got to choose. I just used regular acrylic paint. And look, I could have painted the background if I wanted to, but I left it wood. So that's up to you. Now, you do even get a couple little tags in that kit. So there's a cute little tag with sunglasses, a cute little tag that says the word hot, which is really fun. And lastly in that kit, this kit was extra full. I gave you the letter sun. Now, I love what you mentioned, Suzanne, about you could do anything you want to yours. You could turn these over and put alphabet letters on there if you want to, or you could stamp on them. You get to do it. Remember, it's all about you, what you want. So now you even have more tiles that you can have it say different things. You could have it say your family name. You could have it say anything you want. You can use letter stickers, you can use your Cricut, whatever you want to decorate the backs, but the front does say the word sun because, you know, summertime is sun. So it's a lot of different options, and it's just so cute because you can put these little trays. I usually have one behind me, but I'm showing it to you right now. But you can put it in your kitchen, in your craft room, on your dining room table. You know, we seldom use our dining room tables, so you can put it on your dining room table. I have some people that use these pieces and just put them on their mantles or on their bookshelf. There's so many different options on where you can put these, and they do make great gifts. So what if you just bought a kit just to make items to give as gifts. That's another great idea.
Well, these
so
are
there's
4 really
different
cute gifts that you make out of this one. You know, I think it's wonderful how clever this is. And again, I'm just coloring away on my first set, but I'm going to hot glue these on later. But I just, look what happens. Just add a little bit of color, a little creativity. You're going to be able to do all this yourself. Now, here's what we're going to do, Steph. We are going to, I'm leaving my hot glue plugged in, because what I want to do is we're going to talk about this tray. All right. So this tray, now this is for not crafters and creatives and non-creatives alike. I mean, you guys can just, you know, decide what your, you know, level is. But check this out. Okay, brand new. And again, we're building mine live together. This one is again from this brand new launch of the Stamps of Life Home Decor Crafts. It's $59.99 and it's beautiful. It's a little bit distressed. Also, I kept thinking, oh, you know what? If you draw really well, this would be so cool to do a pattern around the outside, or you could obviously paint it if you want to. But I have to tell you, I really like this distressed look. I thought it was kind of perfect as a starter base.
You know what? It really is. And in fact, what I love the idea that you said you could do something around the edges. What if you used your vinyl and your Cricut machine and made a cute little border that you could put on there? And you know what? Technically, you know, some of that's temporary. You could peel it off, and every month you could have it say something else. I mean, that's just how versatile this is. You're going to make it your own. Yours doesn't have to look anything like mine, but you get to decorate it. You could add a cute little succulent on it. You know, there's so many different options. You probably even have little things around your house that you could put on this tray to decorate your home. So that's really fun too. So you have yours not put together yet. Is that correct?
No, I have not. You ready? We're going to do it together.
Okay. All right, let's do this together. Okay. Now, in all honesty, no tools required, nothing like that. But it does help to have somebody hold it for you. But we're going to do it with just one person, okay?
I'm feeling
so
good.
What we're going to do first, I know, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're going to take the handle, and we are going to thread one of the pieces on. Okay, you can pick. I do the smaller piece. You can pick. Again, it's up to you. I'm doing the smaller piece.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm taking the small tray, and I'm just threading that on. And I'm going to turn it upside down. That's just the easiest way to do it, is to turn it upside down. Okay. And then I'm going to take the next one. Again, it doesn't matter. You get to pick. I'm going to take the next one and put that on. Okay. And now you're going to notice there's not very much there. And you're going to say, oh. Well, I know, right? I know. I heard you're a little nervous. Now watch this. We're going to lay this on top. And this is where you kind of have to like eyeball. There we go. Now it's just laying on there, but it doesn't come all the way through.
Right.
That's okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the little screw, and we're just going to screw that in. I know. It's so simple. No tools required. There we go. Look at that. And then I have my tiered tray.
Oh, cute. Look at this, you guys.
Isn't that fantastic?
It's a great size. Proportionally, it's really awesome.
It is. It is. And you know what? It's larger than most that you might have seen somewhere else, anywhere. I don't know. But it's quite large. It's a good size because you want to be able to put fun things on it. So it is a very large size. It's very versatile. It's pretty much going to match anything. Now, what if white doesn't match your house? Well, you know what? What am I going to say? You can paint this. Right? Yeah. You can paint this. That's cool. So, or you could stain it a little bit, or you could distress it more, whatever you want. Make it your own. They're so much fun. And then you get to decorate it. So I'm going to add my little guy there, and I'm going to take my hello there, and I'm going to put him maybe under here. I'm doing this backwards, so we'll see what it looks like when I'm all done. But here's my cute little birdie. I can add my little birdie. But remember, again, this one, you don't have to use the stick. What if you want this to go there and you want this guy to go right there just like that? So you get to pick. Now, here's my little home sign. I can add that in the front if I want to. Now, don't forget also, if you get the summer kit also, then you're going to have even more options. So what if I make these all match in color? Then I can put my cool sign up here if I want to. I can add my cute little popsicle up there. I get to mix and match. Oh, and then of course you want to get your Hello Summer in there, right? So then, I'm going to move these over here, and I'm going to move that there. And you just play with it. And you can add other little things that you have laying around the house. Oh, and I forgot. It also comes with this cute little felt flower, which is fun. Now I threw that in because I thought, how fun would it be to add a little flower to the corner? And I thought that would just be an extra cute little added bonus. So that you get also, but you know what? I did not glue mine because I might want to use it somewhere else another time. So I'm just going to have that right there, and I'm just going to kind of lay it off in the corner just like that. But you get to decide, again, do you want to glue it or do you want to keep it off to the side? It's up to you. And you know what? It's just so much fun. I've had a great time putting these all together. I use my designs that if you like my style, if you like my stamps, you like my dies, well, you know what? Now I've taken that art and I've made it for home decor.
I love it. It just oozes such personality. It oozes your personality. It oozes just a fun look. I love the graphics. I love the fonts you choose because they're a more modern font style. It's not super old-fashioned looking. I got a couple comments I want to get to real quick. Darlene says, hi there, enjoying the show. Judy, the Stamps of Life is awesome. Let's see. Margaret said, this is amazing. Reagan says, I love my home decor for life projects. That's awesome. Margaret, love the sunglasses. That was so cute.
Oh, yes.
Let's see. Lisa, love the Stamps of Life. Catherine said, I found you. Yay, Catherine. I'm glad you found us. Brenda says, oh, bless this nest. It's so cute. Margaret says, it's so much fun. Karen also loves Stamps of Life. Janice says, the Stamps of Life is a fantastic company. You get a lot of shout outs here. Myrna says, great tray. Brenda says, Suzanne, you're a pro. Well, I'm not sure about that, but thank you. It was pretty easy, actually. Then Barbara said, great job. Thanks. Dawn, Stephanie, and Ken are so generous, and they are. Deborah, this is really cool. Okay, the thing I thought when I saw this too, guys, is when you see the dimensionality is, oh my gosh, one day it might have all your cute little decor things on it. The next day it could literally have a whole bunch of cupcakes for a birthday party.
That's what I did. My twin grandsons just turned 1 in February, the end of February, and I had cupcakes galore on this guy.
So
I mean, it was perfect. So yes, absolutely, use it for goodies.
Oh my gosh, because it's really, how big is the base? Because there's so much room on here.
You know what? Oh, Evelyn could probably tell us, but I always have a ruler handy.
It's not on my notes.
See. It's not. Wow. No. So 13, 14, 15. It's about 15 inches wide.
That's
so
large.
It is quite large. Yeah. It is a good size because you want to have room to put stuff, right?
Yeah.
So then the top, just for kicks, it's approximately almost 10 inches, maybe 10 inches. Yep.
10 inches. Okay, and I like the fact it's deeper too, guys. So a lot of these double tier trays are really flat and things just kind of fall and slide off. But if you're entertaining, this is going to be, you could put a whole condiment thing on here. Can you imagine you're doing hot dogs and hamburgers out by the grill. You guys are out in the back patio. It's the napkins and the plate, or all the little stuff you need, and all the condiments are on top. Like, my brain kind of goes crazy because you just see it as one thing, but then it can do a million other things. It could be, bitters if you're having a cocktail bar for the holiday season. You could do so many cool things with this. I absolutely love it. I love the quality too, because you're putting a lot of heart and soul in these pieces. So 2 different things. We're talking about the tray itself. You can certainly buy that right now if you want to. We also have the kit itself, and we've got the summer kit on hsn.com. And how often will you be launching new kits, Steph?
We will be doing 1 a month.
Oh, yay.
So, yeah, we're really having fun with those. Oh, you know what? One other thing I wanted to mention, Suzanne, this handle is perfect for tying ribbons on. So it's really fun. Just add a whole bunch of ribbons and just kind of make it a little bit more festive. So
and
it's another
all
option
metal.
as well.
This is metal here. So it's not just like a yucky little plastic thing you're going to be worried about. I mean, it's really going to last. Okay. Well, Stephanie, this has been so much fun. Thank you for hanging out. I love the new concept, and thank you for letting me launch it tonight.
Yes, you're welcome. Thanks so much, Suzanne. I had a great time.
Okay. Bye, honey. We'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. We've still so much more to go, you guys. Okay. I'm going to move it. Isn't this neat? All right. Just a couple quick comments. Let's see. Alicia is having troubles with my comments. The new paper hasn't been released yet, but I know it should be soon. Her paper's the best quality, so she's talking about that. I love the calendar. You guys are going somewhat direction. Let's see. Yeah, Steph's got a lot she's got going on. Love Stephanie and Ken. It was mostly so much fun. She loves Stamps of Life. Margaret says, yay, every month. Kathy says, bye, Stephanie. Okay. All right, so now we are going to move on because we have a fan favorite. Now, the cool thing about this next item is this company has been around for a very, very, very long time. And it's because they really were the people who created proper lighting to get and to decide proper color. And it's so important when you're doing any projects. And again, I'm going to get to these pins.